So we've got the smoke machine on this Land Rover, and we've got it all the little tiny leaks sorted out. But I don't know if you can see if it's clear. Well, there you can see the smoke bellowing out up here, but it's actually coming out of the shaft where the lift goes here. And you can see, look, how loose this arm is. So the pin could be loose as well, because I don't think there's a seal in there. I think it's just metal to metal. So that's one of the reasons why you get oil leaks coming down this side of the engine and going all over the gearbox. And you can see how it's washed away. Look, it's oily, all oily. So it looks like we're going to have to put a pump on, stop that leak. And the machine, which is good timing, has just switched off. So we'll change the pump and we'll see if that stops that leaking. So we've put a new fuel pump on, a new lift pump and a gasket, and although it's still bubbling, we're having a trouble at the other side trying to seal the manifold. But there's no leaks on this side at all now, so that's good. We've got to replace this piece of tube here because this is all strapped up, so we've got one of them coming this afternoon. We've also replaced the gaskets on here. On the vacuum pump, we now put double gaskets, and that really saves the end caps from leaking on these vacuum pumps because they're only held on with little rivets. So if you want to make your vacuum pump last a lot longer, 2 gaskets. So there you go, we found a typical Land Rover oil leak, changed that, no leaks. So if you've got leaks on your engine, it's not always coming from the rocker box at the top, it can be coming from here. So there's one to check. Alright, we'll talk to you later.